Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add admin to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your Wix and then just click here site actions, and when you're going to be here you want to click on invite contributor. When you're going to do it, it will automatically give you to settings and roles and permissions, right? So here you have options to general role as admin, website manager or back office manager, or events, check assistant or payments manager. So when I'm going like admin, and when I will go and like this, and I will just send the invite. Done. And voila, pending. And then I would go to my Gmail. By the way, this is a good Shopify artist. I recommend checking him out. You're invited to work, and then I would just like go there. So this is how you can simply add admin in Wix. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.